This is the Sidestep from the Form Function Form Company out of Florida. Neat little wallet, great little front pocket. Keep watching. Welcome to Walletopia. Remember to subscribe, walletopia.info. That's where all the good stuff happens. But it happens here too. So let's get into this. This is the Form Function Form. I didn't double step there. This is the Form Function Form, but this is called the Sidestep. This is a slim wallet. This is handmade in the United States. Let's take a look. The Sidestep Form Function Form wallet comes in this wonderful little cotton bag. Talks about the heritage of the leather that they use, which is great. It's Horween leather. And if we look at this wallet, you think, well, that's just kind of flimsy, but when you put stuff in it, it starts to fill out here. So again, Horween leather. It has quite a few interesting features to it and how it functions as a slim wallet. But as you can see, it's just very pliable, feels great. The stitching on this is really nice and provides everything that's needed in the right place. You can just open this up here. So let's take a look at the features. So on to the features of the new Form Function Form Sidestep wallet. This is the Mustang brown color that we have here. And if we look at this, we can see that we immediately have two card slots. One here in the front, another one right behind it here. And they're both deep, they both go down inside, and that's where you'd put some cards. And if we open this up, it's got a 3/4, well, it's a half and half actually, the way it opens up here. And this is where you put cash folded. It sits in here. And then if we flip it over to the back is where we then see we have an ID slot option here, or other cards. Essentially, you have one slot in the back, and this is what provides the ability to use a quick access thumb push to be able to pull the cards out there. Although here in the front, there is an easy way via thumb to pull the cards out here too. And that's a quick review of the features of the Form Function Form Sidestep wallet. Now to the card and cash insertion test. So as you saw, this was a clipless money clip, and it's kind of cool. It works out well. We got 7 cards and 5 slips of cash in there. You did notice, I pointed that out, that US Canadian currency will work just fine. Euro and yen, not so much. It sticks out the top. If you're fine with that, great. Now, this is called the Sidestep because, what the? All right, we're not sidestepping in this. All right, coming back. There we go. All right. Anyway, it has 3 card slots in it, as we mentioned, plus this clipless money clip, they like to call it here in the middle. Now, it is made in the United States, designed and made in Florida. It is laser cut from a single piece of Horween horse front Mustang leather for an ultra low profile that fits in your pocket. Folded and hand stitched, it has burnished edges on it. We can kind of see on here that as the pieces are all folded over together, it's just a neat design that gives you contiguous capabilities in this wallet that really make it slick. And again, once you get cards and cash in there, it gives you rigidity that just looks really nice. And of course, you know me, I can't not get by without getting a good smell of some good leather here. This is really nice. Now the pricing on it's $64. It is very soft, very supple, and really there's nothing like it. Like I said, it's very floppy, but that's perfect. So the structure is provided by the cards instead of some inserts or other things. Now it does measure 4 inches by 3 inches by 0.2. And like I said, this is out of Florida, Orlando to be particular. And they have uniquely designed and expertly crafted products. Their customer service is very well done, and they're very straightforward in how they operate. And they truly enjoy the chance to fix any issues with products that come their way. I mean, it's just customer satisfaction is what really drives them. And we really appreciate that because the products they create are awesome. So let's get into the final score. For quality of 5, price of 3, features of 3, usability of 3, and perception of 4. That gives us a final score of 38 out of 50. Glad you could join us. Take a look at what these folks have. Go to the links below. Great little company. Hope to see you soon. Look at these videos. Bye.